Sure. So this concert is actually the culmination of a 4-year project called the First Symphony Project. And I'm so grateful to the amazing community here in Eugene that really hopped on board for this project that is truly an investment in new music, but also like a composer's vision. Because so much of what I see going on in the orchestral world is this willingness to commission like 8 to 12 minute works by composers, but rarely giving them the opportunity to fully express themselves in the symphonic form. And throughout history, the symphony has meant many different things and has become many different things, but what has stayed the same is it is almost always a very personal work to that composer, and also by being so personal it becomes something universal, which is how we think about like the symphonies by Beethoven and Mahler and all those great composers. And what I wanted to do was think about what is the symphony in the 21st century, because we have so few of them. And to be able to go to 4 incredible composers and ask them to just, without parameters on the topic or what the piece could be, just ask them to write their first symphony. And all of these composers, like Mike, have written many incredible works for orchestra. And so the idea was to just give them a longer form to speak through the symphony. And it's been a truly an inspiring experience to be able to work with these 4 composers, and surreal to now be at the end here with Mike and putting together this incredible new work.